This is Aaron at Millennium Paint and Body Works. Wanting to run through some things that you can check on your vehicle before you decide to take a road trip this summer, go on your family vacation. First thing we would do would pop the hood, check your coolant. Make sure it's at the full level. Don't want to get out and your vehicle start running hot or anything like that. Next thing to check, come over here to your engine oil. You'll have a dipstick on either side of the engine. You'll just pull that dipstick out, wipe it off, get it clean, stick it back in, and then you should be good to go to check your oil level. If you do find that you are low on oil, usually right here at your oil fill cap will show you your oil viscosity. This truck here is OW20. Check your owner's manual, check your oil filter cap, your oil cap, and that should tell you what type of oil needs to go in your vehicle if you do need to add some. Another thing to check would be your windshield washer fluid. You're going to be driving in the highways, bugs, dirt, debris, stuff like that. You want to keep a clean windshield so you can see. You just look in it. Some cars have a sensor to let you know if it's empty or not. Mine's actually empty at the moment, so I need to fix mine. Check your owner's manual. Have certain service intervals set up in your owner's manual. Oil change, air filter, cabin air filter, tire rotation, transmission flush. These are things that you can decide to do yourself, or you can take it to your dealer where you bought the vehicle and have them do it. Your air filter would be here. You would just remove this cover, inspect it, or you could just go off the mileage or the amount of time that your owner's manual gives you. Another important thing you can check this summer is your tire pressure. You want these inflated all the way around. Want them to be the same all the way around. This is very important, can affect your handling of the vehicle, stability, driving, also affect your gas mileage. So you want to make sure all four tires are at the correct air pressure and all four tires are at the same air pressure. If you're unsure what your tires should be inflated to, most vehicles, when you open up the driver's door, will have a tag right here that shows you what your tire size that you should run on the vehicle and also the pressure they should be at. If you're unsure whether you need new tires or not, a good way to look is just to check the tread. If you have a penny, you can check the tread of your tires to see if they're still good. If the tread covers part of Abraham Lincoln's head, your tires are still good. If you can see his whole head, your tires need to be replaced. This would be a prime example when it's time to replace your tires. Overall, you can just tell there's no tread hardly left here, but if you stick the penny in there, you see all of Abe's head. It's a good idea whenever you do start feeling some vibration when you brake or any noise at all, get it checked immediately, because the quicker you solve this problem, it'll be a lot cheaper to just put pads on the car, or when you let them go too far, you'll be putting pads, rotors, and possibly even calipers.